Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you are looking Google Gemini Pro subscription, very affordable prices, we can receive Google Gemini Pro subscription for entire year. Premium in cheap, this is the platform. This platform are providing you very affordable prices. So now we will see, open here Google. First of all, I will show you, this is my account. If I want upgrade here, Google AI Pro, so I need to pay every month 2000 INR. I am purchasing personally here Google AI Pro and all features we are receiving. So my account is not upgrade. At the end, I will show you how we upgrade this one. Just simply come to the Google, type here premium in cheap. I already added this platform link in video description. The first link is displaying here, home premium in cheap, start at 99. Apart from the Google Gemini, this platform are selling other different subscription as well. Which subscription you are looking, accordingly you should decide. I just simply search here best quality product Gemini, and look at this here. This is the subscription. I want purchase this one, Gemini Pro and Google One 2 terabyte space you can receive here. So original price is 12,000 INR. We receive this product in 2,200 INR only. It's very affordable, 80% off compared to the original price. The Access Gemini Pro AI tool, research writing, 2 TB premium cloud storage, access OneDrive, Gmail and Google Photos as well. Very secure, 100% genuine and premium subscription. Here the text you can click here about no. Here the main channel group is also available for the Telegram. You can text them and ask any of the question. Even I already added this link in video description, so you should click and reach there and ask if you have any question. Get the subscription on your personal email, free worldwide delivery within 30 to 180 minutes. So I just simply click here buy. As a buy now point of view, we need to pay here 2,200 INR. Complete your order via WhatsApp. So you can fill out here your entire information like billing details, your address, region. You need to provide here your mobile number as well. So mobile number and email address is compulsory, so you can receive the WhatsApp message on mobile number. Then place the order. As an order place the point of view, if you click the place the order, so automatically your WhatsApp application is open. And look at this here, premium in cheap. This is the contact number. You can send them directly your invoice. First of all, look at this here, place the order. This is my invoice. We are sending them, okay, I want purchase this subscription, I am ready to pay this amount. We need to wait here couple of minutes. So look at this here, we are spending here around 5 to 6 minutes and I am receiving this one. Received the order from replying for the customer, and here the QR code. We need to pay here the money for 2,200 INR, and afterwards we can receive here. I just simply use here my phone pay and pay here. So look at this here, after complete my payment I am receiving this link, and before clicking this link you need to on your Gemini account, which account you want upgrade. That one is important point here. Afterwards I just simply click this link and look at this here, activation your Google AI Pro plan from Geo is 35,100 free for 18 months. This subscription is 18 months for free of cost for me. Your Google AI Pro plan will be end October 12, 2027. Today is on 2026, so I can access this subscription around 18 months. No payment required, no hidden subscription cost, and data remains safe when you offer ends. It's nice. I just simply click here. Before clicking, I just simply verify here my email address. Yeah, I verify. Active the plan, and look at this here, your Google Gemini, and boom, your Google AI Pro members. Click here, go to the Gemini. And let's say this is my pro version. As I previously say here, this one I can create the music as well, fast, thinking and pro, 3 different versions we are receiving. Using this process you can get this subscription very affordable prices. This subscription cost is 2,200 INR, and you can use this subscription 18 months, not 12 months. 6 months is a bonus. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.